Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Anna. I'll be your guide into the world of the Russian language. Today we're learning... Hello, Kitty. Today we're learning days of the week, months, and seasons. It's one of the most practical lessons on my channel because you'll use these words every day. So let's get started. Let's begin with the days of the week. Понедельник, вторник, среда, четверг, пятница, суббота, воскресенье. Note that unlike English, days of the week in Russian are written with the lowercase letters. In Russia, the week starts on Monday. Let's add a simple pattern. How will you say on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday in Russian? You will need to use the preposition в. В понедельник, во вторник, в среду, в четверг, в пятницу, в субботу, в воскресенье. We say во вторник, we add o to в, because it's not easy to pronounce в вторник. And mind that вторник and воскресенье are different. I mean, вторник, after в, you have another consonant letter and another consonant sound, which is the вторник. And in воскресенье, after в, you have o. When we pronounce this word, we say a, but it doesn't matter, it's a vowel sound. So it's easier to say в воскресенье than в вторник. I think you understand what I mean. So we say в воскресенье, but во вторник. Now the months. Январь, февраль, март, апрель, май, июнь, июль, август, сентябрь, октябрь, ноябрь, декабрь. Names of months are also written with lowercase letters. If you want to say in January, in March, in April, you will also need to use the preposition в. В январе, в феврале, в марте, в апреле, в мае, в июне, в июле, в августе, в сентябре, в октябре, в ноябре, в декабре. Now that we know the names of the months, let's learn the names of the seasons. Декабрь, январь, февраль. This is зима, winter. Март, апрель, май. Весна, spring. Июнь, июль, август. Лето, summer. Сентябрь, октябрь, ноябрь, осень. Fall. Let's practice. Put a tick for any correct answer you've got and then write in the comments how many ticks you have. What's the name of the first month of the year? Январь. Март, апрель, май. What's the name of the season? The letters are messed up. Can you guess the name of the day? Понедельник. Thank you for watching and check out my next video. We'll learn how to say dates in Russian. I'll see you next time and don't forget to subscribe.